Here's a look at the news in detail. With the Khadc and Jhadc elections scheduled for February 21st, preparations are in full swing across Meghalaya. Cyril Dengdo, Commissioner and Secretary of the District Council Affairs Department, informed that Deputy Commissioners have conducted multiple review meetings to ensure a smooth process. The Chief Secretary inspected arrangements at ISBT Shillong, while security forces have been strengthened in sensitive areas with additional personnel deployed to critical polling stations. Over 22 crore has been allocated for logistics, security and overall management of the elections.
Had multiple reviews with deputy commissioners. In fact, yesterday our chief secretary also visited ISBT to review the preparations in East Khadc district, because we know East Khadc is one of the larger districts when it comes to KHADC polls. The arrangements are all in place for dispatch of polling parties, dispatch of materials, and also receiving of materials, and the counting center which has been notified as ISBT for the East Khadc district. For Peninsula and Saura, the commissioning and the dispatch of polling parties will be from Peninsula and Saura respectively, and the counting also will happen at Peninsula and Saura. The budget is 22 crores. We will know once the poll is complete. This is the budget we have adequately given to the DCs.